Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. I learned this at Evision. It's me Shikha, and I have done MCA in 2019 from Bharti Vidyapeeth University. I enrolled here for online job training program, and it was a great experience. It was a 45-day training in which I learned all about software and technologies. Online mock interviews and presentation, and it was very helpful for me to improve my technical skills and to communication skills. Then I got an offer in IBM IOCL for a package of 2.36 LPA, and for that I am very thankful for Evision for giving me direction in IT field. Thank you.